Greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, where we have close to 100 classic and collectible vehicles for sale at any one time. You can look at all our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we have videos, we have pictures, we have descriptions, everything that your heart would ever desire when it comes to looking at old cars. But today we're going to look at our latest acquisition. I'll tell you more of the details in a moment. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, our latest addition to our sales floor is a Grand Touring 1969 Torino Convertible. Very few of these were actually made. It's actually a much rarer car than I would have even imagined. And this particular one has been absolutely beautifully restored. And I mean restored in the sense that it's got everything has been rebuilt, the motor's been redone, the paint is new, interior's done, new top, wheels, tires, exhaust, chrome, you name it. This car has been put together by a very professional individual that did a superb job. As I said, it has a little 302 V8, gives it plenty of power for this little convertible, hooked up with a reliable automatic transmission on the column. Put it in gear and drive away. But yeah, if you just take a look, everything has been redone. We got beautiful chrome, beautiful paint all through the deal. You know, it is a GT, so you have the GT striping, you got the hood scoop, the turn signals are in the back of the hood scoop, which is always kind of a fun thing to do when you're looking from the inside driving. Even has the Magnum 500 wheels with brand new radial raised letter tires. I mean, you want to talk about a smooth ride compared to what it was in '69 when you had more biased tires. This really makes this thing go down the road just smooth as can be. Beautifully redone interior, nice thing. Seat belts front and back, which of course were required back in '69, but just one of those things that we have to be used to because some of the older cars, you don't have them and you kind of feel a little bit uncomfortable sometimes if you go for a ride. But like I said, everything in this car, beautiful dash pad, the carpet's been redone, door panels, brand new convertible top as well with a new boot and the likes. Everything about this car speaks quality and fun, especially in Minnesota at this time of year. It's just really would be a great thing to have actually in any state, but in Minnesota, it would really be a blast. So if you're looking for a really unusual and a pretty rare car, we do have the Marty Report, and there weren't a whole lot of these made, especially one with some of the options that this car has. It would be a really fun one to have in your yard. So you can come and take a look at it in person if you were so desired. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Love to have you come in and look at it in person. Or you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Make us a favorite. There's lots of videos, lots of information out there at Ellingson Motorcars. Come and take a look. If you want to take a look at a really nice one, I've got one right here on the sales floor today. It won't last long.